Hello, and welcome back. In this video, we will see how you can create a product order form offer in your platform marketplace, how you can manage the leads generated through these order forms, and we will take a good look over all the options available in the offer form creation process. The product order form feature can be used to create products or services in the network marketplace that use lead generation techniques to manage and convert the final customers. For example, products that can be sold online with cash on delivery, or insurance offers, real estate, utility, online services for which you need to collect leads first, etc. For the sake of our example, we will create a new offer in this affiliate network marketplace where we will want to promote and sell a mini cooler with COD payment or cash on delivery. First, let's open the landing page of the product we want to sell. Now, let's pretend we are a potential customer, and we have landed here from an advertisement on Facebook. As you will see, if we click on the Order Now button from this landing page, we will be redirected to the order form of this product. This order form was created directly on our tracking platform, and all the sales or leads generated through it can be managed directly from the platform or your in-house CRM if you choose to. But let's take a better look and see how we can create a similar offer with order form in the network marketplace and integrate it into our landing page. First, you will need to activate the feature from your TrafficManager platform system settings inside the tab Features. Scroll down to the e-commerce offer forms area and check the box Enable Offer Products and Leads Management. Analyze also all the other options available and activate the ones you need, then save your changes. By opening the Custom Order Statuses area, you will be able to customize the name of the order statuses from the Leads Management tool located in the page Leads and adapt them to your business model in case you don't run an e-commerce shop. As you will see in this example, to replace the names of the columns from the Leads page, just type the desired name in each field and save your changes at the end, as we are doing right now. Once the modifications were saved, if we access the Leads page, we can see that the columns' names were changed, with the ones just modified in the Custom Order Statuses. But, for our demonstration, let's leave everything as default. Now, let's create our new offer with an order form, where we will promote and sell, as we said, the mini cooler device we saw earlier, using the COD or the cash on delivery payment model. To do that, click on the Manage Offers drop-down menu, and click on New Offer. Add the title of your offer, select the payout mode, and add the payout amount. Remember that this is the default payout the affiliates will receive for each sale, or in our case, leads, they will generate. If you want to add a custom payout to a few individual affiliates, click on the Custom Payouts button and add it here. Next step, select the targeted country or countries. Select the devices you want to target. The connection type. And the budget and capping. Next, select the privacy level. As you can see, the privacy level by default is set to public. This means that all the affiliates of the network can see and promote this offer. If you change it to Apply Needed, all the affiliates will be able to see the offer, but they will need to apply for it in order to promote it, and you will need to approve them manually, as you can see in this example. You can also set the privacy level to private. This means that none of the network affiliates will be able to see the offer in the marketplace unless you don't manually add them to the allowed affiliates list, just under. Moving forward, select the category of your offer and add tags if you want. Then, add a description for your offer. Adding tags is important because the affiliates can use them to filter between the offers published in the marketplace, as you can see in this example. Scrolling down, we find the offer settings. Please leave them as default or read the info icons before checking any box. Now, scroll a bit more, and just above the offer landing pages area, you will find the Products Forms section. Click on the new product and let's start creating our first order form. Add the product name, the value of the conversion for you, as an advertiser, the price paid by the end user. This price you will add here will be visible in the order form. Optional, you can add a displayed price with text, like here, which will replace the displayed price in the order form, like in this example. Next, add the currency and the old price of this product, in case the actual price is on discount. Add the text you want to show on the call to action button, for example, buy now. Select if you want to show or not the card icon on the buy button. Next, place your terms and conditions and privacy policy URLs, which will be visible and accessible to the final customer on the offer form. Upload a product image that will be visible on the product order form. Next, select the payment method, cash on delivery. You can also add other payment methods like PayPal and Stripe by clicking this button. But in our example, we will stick to the COD payment method, so let's create the product form fields we need our customers to fill when they place the order on the landing page for our product. As you can see, you can add as many fields as you want. You can create variants of the same product with different images, names, prices, and affiliate payouts. As well, you can select which fields are mandatory to fill by the end customer, and which are optional. Besides this, you can also create packages and set up discounts based on the quantity. You can also customize the thank you page and the colors of the order form to match them with your landing page design. Once you have finished the form configuration, save it and you will see that the system automatically added your order form link in the landing page's destination URL field. Now, to add this order form in your product landing page, all you need to do is to copy and paste the order form iframe code into your landing page. Once you have done that, add the landing page to this offer, as you can see in our example. Next, upload a landing page preview image and click the Create button. The landing page preview image is optional, but I strongly suggest uploading a good quality one to attract the attention of the affiliates. This image will be used by the system as the cover of your offer in the network marketplace, as you will see in the next example. Once you have clicked the Create button, the system opens you the possibility to upload your promotional creatives, if you have any. Here you can upload banners, zip files, and HTML templates. If you need to preview the order form you created before, you can click the preview link. If you want to modify it, you can do it from the Edit button. Note that the iframe code or the product offer link will not suffer any modifications in case you edit the form. Those are final and they can never be changed, just deleted. Now, let's take a look at the leads management flow. The management of the leads or sales received through these forms we have created can be done in two ways. First, by connecting your own CRM with our platform via API, by clicking this button here, and adding your CRM API URL and parameters. You can also integrate your CRM via JSON, as you can see here. The second and easiest way you can manage the leads received is via our lead management tool you saw at the beginning of our video. From this page, you, or your advertisers if you allow them, can manage the status of all the leads sent by the affiliates. Now, let's take a look also at the Order Lead Tolerance tool inside the Pending Conversions page. This tool can be used only with the order form offers, which have the pending conversion feature activated, and it will help you incentivize the affiliates by paying them a larger payout for the generated leads, with the condition that not more than a certain percentage of the provided leads are invalid. But let's see an example of the entire flow. Let's edit our offer and set the conversions in pending approval first. Then, set up a tolerance of 20% in our product order form and save the offer. Now, let's assume that one of our affiliates sent us 10 qualified leads. As you can see, he will see the commissions for these leads in pending until we control the quality and manually approve them. Now let's go to the Leads Management page where we will change the status of the leads our affiliate sent. Now let's check the Tolerance tool in the Pending Conversions page again. According to our tolerance rate, the system is showing us how many leads sent by the affiliate are out of the tolerance, and how many we need to delete. In our case, 1. All we need to do now is to delete the extra lead, and approve the others, as in this example. The affiliate will immediately see the changes on his dashboard as well, so if we go back to his dashboard, we will see that after we processed the conversions, he has an extra credit of $96, which is the equivalent of the 6 conversions we just approved. In the reports, we can see the exact number of the leads he sent and the conversion approved. If the affiliate wants to see what happened with the rest of the leads he sent, he will need to access the conversions log page and check their status. On this same page, the affiliates are also able to see some other details about the leads they sent and filter them as they want. Basically, by using the Leads Tolerance tool, you can keep track of how many leads you need to delete from each affiliate in order to align them with your requested tolerance rate. This is all for now. We hope that this guide was helpful and easy to understand, and please remember that we are continuously working on improving the user experience of our platform by releasing new updates periodically. In case there are some new features present in your platform dashboard, but not explained in this video, feel free to open a support ticket with us and we will release an updated guide as soon as possible. See you at the next video.